Today, we're bringing you 10 more popular American slang words that will make your English sound natural and modern.
These slangs are perfect for casual conversations, social media, or understanding movies, TV shows, and TikToks.
We'll explain each word, give examples, and even show mini conversations so you can use them confidently.
Let's jump right in. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Fun podcast. This is the episode 3 about American slang.
And I'm John. Today, we're bringing you 10 more popular American slang words that will make your English sound natural and modern.
These slangs are perfect for casual conversations, social media, or understanding movies, TV shows, and TikToks.
We'll explain each word, give examples, and even show mini conversations so you can use them confidently.
Let's jump right in. 1. Dead. Explanation. Dead is used to express that something is extremely funny or shocking, often making you die laughing. Examples. I was dead when I saw that video. That joke had me dead. He was dead after hearing the news. Mini conversation.
Did you see that TikTok where the dog is wearing sunglasses?
I was dead. I couldn't stop laughing. Tips. Casual and humorous. Used mostly in texting or social media too. 2. Ghost. Explanation. Ghost means to suddenly stop communicating with someone without explanation. Examples. He ghosted me after our first date. I think she's ghosting him on Instagram. Don't ghost your friends, just explain. Mini conversation.
I haven't heard from Jake in a week.
Sounds like he's ghosting you. Tips. Very common in dating and social media contexts. 3. Cap. Explanation. Cap means a lie or false statement. It's the opposite of no cap. Examples. That story is cap. He said he ran 10 miles. That's cap. Stop capping. I know the truth. Mini conversation.
Did she really meet the president?
That's cap. I know she didn't. Tips. Often used in casual conversations and online. Can also be used with no cap for honesty. 4. Tea. Explanation. Tea means gossip or news, usually juicy or interesting. Examples. Spill the tea. Did you hear the tea about the new movie? I have some tea about the party last night. Mini conversation.
I heard something interesting about Sarah.
Ooh, spill the tea. Tips. Popular in social media and casual chats. Can be used to ask for or share gossip. 5. Snack. Explanation. Snack refers to someone who looks really attractive. Examples. Wow, he's a snack. She's looking like a snack today. That celebrity is such a snack. Mini conversation.
Did you see Jake at the party?
Yes, he's a total snack. Tips. Casual compliment about appearance, often used by younger Americans. 6. Woke. Explanation. Woke means being aware of social issues, politics, or cultural matters. Examples. She's really woke about environmental issues. He's woke and always speaks about equality. Being woke means staying informed. Mini conversation.
Did you read about the new campaign?
Yes, it's amazing. She's really woke. Tips. can be positive or sarcastic depending on context, shows awareness of social issues. 7. GOAT. Explanation. GOAT stands for greatest of all time, used to describe someone very skilled or legendary. Examples: LeBron James is the GOAT of basketball. That song is the GOAT. She's the GOAT at painting. Mini conversation.
Who's your favorite basketball player?
Definitely LeBron James. He's the GOAT. Tips. Very positive. Common in sports, music, and pop culture. 8. Fam Jam. Explanation. Fam Jam refers to a casual gathering with close friends or family. Examples: we're having a fam jam this weekend. Did you go to the fam jam yesterday? Fam jam was so fun. We danced all night. Mini conversation.
Are you coming to the fam jam tonight?
Of course, can't wait to see everyone. Tips. Casual, friendly, and warm. Shows closeness with people you trust. 9. Slime. Explanation. Slime is a term of endearment for a close friend, similar to bro or dude. Examples: what's up, Slime? Thanks for helping me, Slime. Slime, you're the best. Mini conversation.
Hey Slime, you ready for the game tonight?
Absolutely, let's go. Tips. Mostly used in youth culture, shows friendship and closeness. 10. Vibe. Explanation. Vibe refers to the atmosphere, mood, or feeling of a place, person, or situation. Examples: this cafe has a chill vibe. I'm feeling good vibes today. Their party has a great vibe. Mini conversation.
How's the new cafe?
Amazing! I love the vibe there. Tips. Very casual. Can describe mood, style, or energy. That's all for Episode 3, 10 more American slang words to help you speak English like a native.
Practice these in your conversations, social media, or texts. Using them often makes them natural.
If you liked this episode, like, comment your favorite slang, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.